Welcome back to All About Food. If you're new here, hello, I'm Christie.
For today's video, we're going to make fried chicken fillet with coleslaw. We need 1 kilo chicken fillet, sliced thinly, cooking oil as needed, 1 pack 62 grams crispy fry breading mix, half head shredded cabbage, salt, white pepper, cayenne pepper, Spanish paprika, half a cup Japanese mayonnaise, 1/4 bar cream cheese, tongs, turner, disposable paper towel, pan, preheat your pan. Make sure that your chicken is dry before putting your breading. Put your cooking oil. Coat your chicken fillet with your breading mix. To know more about this and other recipe, you may follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Pan fry the chicken until golden brown. After frying, put it on a disposable paper towel. Make sure the shredded cabbage are dry. Mix half a cup Japanese mayo and 1/4 cup cream cheese. Season with a dash of salt, white pepper, cayenne pepper, Spanish paprika according to your taste. Mix the coleslaw dressing. Mix it well with shredded cabbage. Arrange your fried chicken on top of the coleslaw. Our finished product, fried chicken fillet with coleslaw.
If you're looking for food delivery service here in Rizal, please visit my number food services. The link is in the description down below. Thank you very much to all my subscribers. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you're new here. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.